Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook an East African dish called Chicken Mogo. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video.
I took 6 drumsticks of chicken and boiled it in water with salt for 45 minutes on medium heat. I took another 6 drumsticks of chicken and mixed it with salt, pepper, ginger, garlic and coriander paste and baked it in oven for about 45 minutes on 320 degree temperature. We'll start cooking by putting half a cup of oil. This is corn oil. We'll warm it up on high heat. The oil is now hot. I'll put 1 chopped onion, medium. We'll keep stirring this till the time it becomes brown and we start smelling the burning of the onion. This onion looks pretty good right now, and I'll start adding tamarind sauce. This is 1 tablespoon of tamarind sauce, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, I'll put half a can of this, about 200 ml. This is 3/4 pounds of cassava. I'll start frying it now. I cut this cassava in small pieces because it takes a long time to cook, and I'm going to put more liquid into it. I'm adding chicken broth to it. Cassava takes a long time to cook, so we are going to cover it up, put it on medium and leave it for about 15 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes now, and I'm going to open this. Let's see how they are cooked. They are cooked pretty good. Some of them are bigger than others, but by the time it's all done, they'll be all cooked nicely. I cut this cassava small pieces because they take a long time to cook. So by cutting into small pieces, they cook faster. The tamarind sauce and the hot sauce that I used with this recipe are homemade, and there are videos for both of them. Also, it's been steaming in coconut milk and chicken broth. The chicken broth came out from the chicken I boiled earlier. Now I'll add coconut milk. This was the rest of the coconut milk. In Mogo, there are 3 main ingredients: chicken, cassava and coconut milk. Coconut milk is essential in this one. I'll also add some chicken broth. This is half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of allspice, half a teaspoon of powdered mint. We'll mix it well. Now we'll add our chicken. This is the boiled chicken. And this is the baked chicken. We'll blend them well with the juices and cover it up again. This is still on medium temperature. I'll cover it up now and leave it for 15 more minutes. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to open the lid. I shut the stove. Just started to stick at the bottom, which is not that bad. I can smell the good fragrance of the mogo. So what we are going to do is let it cool down a little bit, and then I'm going to plate it. I'll start plating now. These are tricolor bell peppers, green, yellow and red, and I'll put that as a garnishing. This is our finished chicken mogo, ready to eat.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them below in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so, and remember to hit the bell button so you are notified each and every time we post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends.
Until next time.
Okay, now it's time for the taste test, so let's give this a go. Chicken Mogo. Go ahead, Dad.
I'll combine mogo, cassava and chicken together.
I'll do the same, a little bit of chicken, a little bit of cassava, aka mogo.
It's cooked all right.
The cassava is pretty soft. Sometimes cassava can be a little bit hard, so this one's cooked pretty good.
The spicing is very well balanced. You can taste coconut milk, tamarind.
Very good. For sure worth trying in your home. So everybody, give this a go.